This will be a fun trip. We're just out here. It's the last trip of the year. We're gonna start this one off with the Lost Coast. They're from Eureka, California. It's the IPA, but it's 6.5% alcohol and 35 IBUs.
38?
38, yeah. I found this pretty cheap for a 12 pack. It's like just over $10, so I'm like,
that's the best deal I've seen
yeah,
on any kind of micro
oh, yeah,
in a very long time.
Smells IPA.
Yeah, it's got a good hop smell.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit floral, but it smells kind of like fruity up front.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll work.
Yeah.
Not fruity at all.
Mm-mm.
Not fruity or tropical or anything.
Nope.
Just straight up old style hops and bitterness.
Yeah.
I really like it.
It's good, and it's kind of easy to drink a little bit too.
You know, for 38 IBUs, it's like it balances it real nice.
Yeah.
It's not super bitter, but it's bitter. You can taste it.
Yeah. I've been drinking these last couple weeks here and there.
Nice. Like a dry hop almost sort of character to it.
Yeah, pretty well rounded for, and it is an older style IPA, I feel, so.
Me too. The body's kind of thin, so those hops come through a little more bitter maybe than they normally would, you know, with a smaller amount of hop or IBU bitterness in there, right? So I don't know if they just use more amounts of a lower alpha hop in there or what. It's definitely like a super light gold kind of color. A little bit malty, but kind of thin, you know, like a like a real light body.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not too overpowering.
Actually gets more bitter the more I drink it.
Yeah, it does a little bit, huh?
You have a little tiny maltiness in the middle, and it kind of finishes thin and short with just some hop flavor. And the bitterness sort of dies out a little bit about half, 3/4 through.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, I had this with the pot roast that I made for Christmas.
Was it good with red meat like that?
For me it was, yeah.
Yeah?
So, because we had a bunch of sides. We had like scalloped potatoes.
Yeah.
And, a bunch of, we had
This would be
green
good with
beans.
Potato dishes. Yeah, with vegetables, asparagus or something kind of like that, you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Some peppercorn chicken or something like that would be real nice. Or might be good with some curry or something too.
Oh yeah.
Even a Thai curry that's kind of sweet with the coconut might be all right.
Go good with some spicy stuff too, a little bit. Like you were mentioning Thai. Salty, like seafoods and stuff would go really nice with this.
Any kind of a grilled sandwich or a Reuben or something with
some,
you know, like garlic fries and you know, a frosty pint of this.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes. All right. Well.
Yeah.
I like it, man.
Yeah. Another good job by these guys.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Good stuff and pretty damn.